enhances vehicle visibility, adds personalization, improves parking safety, and makes antennas easier to spot. Today's video is about top 5 best oversized antenna toppers for visibility that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at EcoAuto Oversized Antenna Toppers. The Badass Bullet Antenna is a stylish and durable upgrade for Ford F-Series and Dodge Ram trucks, offering both a rugged look and solid build quality. Designed to match the shape of a real .50 caliber bullet, it instantly enhances the truck's appearance by replacing the factory-long antenna with a compact, aggressive-style stubby version. Made from 6061 billet aluminum with a hard anodized black finish, it feels premium and is built to withstand harsh weather, scratches, and regular car washes. The anti-theft thread locking feature is a thoughtful addition, helping keep the antenna securely in place once installed. Installation is simple thanks to included adapters, making it easy to fit on compatible Ford and Ram models. While AM/FM reception may be reduced in remote areas, it works perfectly with Bluetooth and satellite audio systems. Overall, it's a strong mix of durability, style, and convenience for truck owners who want a bold custom look. Now our second product is EcoAuto Oversized Antenna Toppers. The Badass Bullet Antenna is a rugged and stylish upgrade for Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra trucks, designed to replace the factory antenna with a bold, military-inspired look. Shaped like a real .50 caliber bullet, it instantly enhances the truck's appearance and gives it a more aggressive, customized feel. Built from high-quality 6061 billet aluminum with a hard anodized black finish, it is highly durable and resistant to scratches, fading, and harsh weather conditions. It's also car wash safe, making it practical for everyday use. The anti-theft thread locking compound adds extra security, ensuring the antenna stays firmly mounted during all driving conditions. Installation is made easier with included M6 and M7 adapters, fitting a wide range of compatible Silverado and Sierra models. While AM/FM reception may be slightly reduced in remote areas, it works perfectly for users who rely on Bluetooth or satellite radio. Overall, it's a strong combination of durability, security, and aggressive styling for truck owners. Our third product is EcoAuto Oversized Antenna Toppers. The EcoAuto 4-inch car radio antenna is a sleek and practical upgrade for Ford F-Series, Bronco, Raptor, and Dodge Ram trucks. Designed with a modern, compact look, it replaces bulky factory antennas and instantly improves the vehicle's appearance with a clean, stylish finish. Made from 6061 solid billet aluminum with military-grade construction, it feels sturdy and built to last in tough outdoor conditions. The anti-theft thread locking compound is a useful feature, helping keep the antenna securely in place and reducing the risk of theft. Installation is quick and hassle-free. Just unscrew the old antenna and hand-tighten the new one in under a minute. It's compatible with a wide range of truck models, making it a versatile choice for many drivers. While AM/FM signal strength may decrease in remote areas, it works well for users who rely on Bluetooth or satellite radio. Overall, it's a simple, durable, and stylish antenna upgrade for truck owners. Now number 4, Icbeamer Oversized Antenna Toppers. The Icbeamer 5-inch antenna is a stylish and modern upgrade that instantly enhances a vehicle's exterior look. With its sleek design combining a polished black finish and real 3K carbon fiber, it gives the car a premium and sporty appearance that stands out compared to traditional long antennas. Built with durability in mind, it is resistant to rust, corrosion, fading, and harsh weather conditions, making it suitable for long-term outdoor use and frequent car washes. The compact 5-inch design not only improves aesthetics, but also maintains practicality. Installation is quick and hassle-free, requiring no special tools. Just remove the old antenna and screw in the new one using the included adapters. With 10 different screws and adapters, it offers broad compatibility for many vehicle brands, including Ford, Toyota, and VW. Overall, it's a durable, easy-to-install, and visually appealing antenna upgrade backed by a lifetime warranty for added confidence. And our last choice is SYudwen Oversized Antenna Toppers. This carbon fiber shark fin roof antenna cover is a stylish and practical upgrade for Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra trucks from 2019 to 2024 models. Designed using original car data, it maintains a perfect factory-like fit while instantly enhancing the vehicle's appearance with a sleek, modern shark fin design. Made from high-quality materials with a carbon fiber finish, it offers strong durability and resistance to everyday wear, helping it maintain its look over time. The rugged build makes it suitable for truck owners who want both style and reliability. Installation is quick and simple using double-sided tape. Just clean the surface, press firmly, and it stays securely in place. No drilling or complex tools are required overall. It's an easy cosmetic upgrade that replaces damaged or outdated antenna covers while giving your truck a refreshed, premium look. A solid choice for improving aesthetics without compromising factory design. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.